What is up, guys? Welcome to Bro Beats. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up a PayPal account. Most of you already have one and know how to do this, but most don't as well. So I'm gonna show you this, and then I'm gonna show you in the next video how to set up a BStars account or whatever. All right, so you can either choose a personal account, that is a lie. You can choose a personal account or a business account. All right, I suggest a business account because you're trying to do business, but you can also do personal if you want. So let's get started. All right, so you're gonna get started again, even though I just clicked that. I suggest the standard one. You can always, change it, but I'm just click standard. Okay, that's what I'm gonna click. You can copy. So now I'm gonna put this fake email address in. It's kind of hard to type with the mic. Is that right? Yeah, okay. And then choose a password. All right, and now you have to fill this information in. I'm just fill this out and then try to find an address for somewhere, or just put mine in. So, and then we just do Earl York music or something like that. All right, so I'm gonna see you on the very next page. I'm just going to try to find something to put here. All right, and then yeah, see you in the next page. All right, so now we're on the next page, and all you have to do is select your business type. All right, so what you want to do is probably click this one if you're new, because you're an individual. All right, category, just choose, let me see, music or something. I don't know, this doesn't really matter because they don't have like any like music production type stuff, so I'm probably missing it, but I'm just click entertainment and media. But wait a minute, we could do, nah, I think entertainment and media might be good. I just want to double check, make sure I'm not missing like anything. All right, subcategory, let's see, music, of course, but at the same time, yeah, we could just click on the music. I don't know, it's kind of, well, maybe digital media. I don't know. I wish they had specifics. So yeah, I guess you can choose digital media, music. I'm gonna choose digital media because it is digital. It makes the most sense. You could do entertainer if you're a YouTuber. We're gonna do digital media. Estimated monthly sales. You could put however much you make. We're just gonna do this. All right, the lowest, because you're just starting out. You're probably not making 100,000 a month. So click that. You don't have, if you have a URL from like a hosting or something, then I guess you could put that in. You should have a .com or something like that. If you don't, then I guess I can show you how to do that if you want me to, but just click continue from here. All right, now this here is the most personal thing that you'll have to do, but this is important because it's going to make sure that you're a real person. So you're gonna have to put that in. All right, now I'm gonna do this and skip the page. Now you can look over, and a lot of people, you hit me up like, do I have to do this? Do I have to put the, yes, you do. You're dealing with money. All right, you're dealing with money. Eventually you're gonna have to do like taxes and all that good stuff. So yes, you do have to put this stuff in. All right, so I'm gonna skip this. I'm gonna put this in and skip this. All right, I'll see you on the next page. All right, so we are now on the next page after you put all that vital information in. Okay, so from here, when I started my account, I just skipped this. I just, set it up, got my HTML code or whatever, and just got started. So you can get started from here. Now, nowadays, you probably are gonna have to go through this to-do list. Okay, you're gonna have to do that. You're probably gonna have to do that. I don't think you have to add your bank account, but you might. So you want to do that, set this up, make sure this is all correct, and confirm your email address and all that good stuff. I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to actually use this. Okay, so from here you can set it up. I would suggest doing this. You can click all of them if you want, but just to keep this simple, I'm just going to let's see, with online. Yeah, we can do that one. If you want to do in person, if you're working local, yes. Okay, so continue. All right. So now this page is just gonna tell you what you need to do to set these things up. So I'm just gonna do this one because this is the only thing that you need like codes and stuff to set up. These are just, you need a card reader and then you can just create an invoice easily. All right, these are things that's already integrated on the site. So for like BeatStars or like a beat site, you're gonna need to click option A. All right, because you're gonna need to integrate PayPal with the site. So that's what I'm gonna show you in the next video. All right, this is just the setup, and this is like the old, you see those PayPal buttons on like those sites or just any site. This is like the code for the PayPal button. All right, now you can use this. All right, you just go create payment buttons, and then it'll take you through the process. I'm not gonna do that because there's no point. All right, now option A is what you want to click. Now this is gonna take you to a page where you're gonna have to have some codes, your API credentials right here. All right, and what this is gonna do is just basically connect your PayPal to your BeatStars or your Airbit or whatever. Okay, and then you're gonna get notifications and all that good stuff. Okay. All right, so we're gonna click here. Let me make this a little higher. Click here. Okay, and then we're gonna stop here. This is the page that you need in order to connect those accounts. All right, so I think the one that you're gonna have to use is this one, either this one or this one. This one you don't need. All right, but definitely this. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here, and then you're gonna see this page again in the next video with the BeatStars set up. All right, so hopefully this video helped you out, set up your PayPal account and everything. Hopefully it was helpful. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.